Mersey Care is a mental health trust, and we offer a full range of mental health services to Sefton, Liverpool and Kirby, and medium secure services into Cheshire and Merseyside. Mental health continues to be one of the highest causes of disability in the UK, and as a mental health trust this gives us a huge responsibility both to our commissioners and to the people we serve. And then we have an additional issue around the cost envelope within which we can do all of these things. So we have to be innovative, we have to provide quality services, we have to reduce our costs, and together that constitutes quite a significant challenge for us as a trust. Corporate services for Mersey Care has an operating budget of about 30 million. The goal of the transformation over 5 years was to reduce that by about 25%. And just to get a sense of scale, we have about 450 staff work across corporate services. So it wasn't a trivial exercise. This was serious cost reduction, serious quality improvement and serious impact on staff. What PA brought was a context really that came from the work they'd done elsewhere, and that helped us to kind of quickly get up to speed with what it is we were facing. I think in terms of the skills that PA brought, it always felt like there was a small team on the ground that had broad skills and were able to run the programme forward and had done this kind of work before. But then as the work became more concentrated and more complex, it always felt that there was another person somewhere else who could be brought in, or some expertise that could be tapped into. And for us as an organisation, that was a huge degree of comfort, because it felt like whatever we wanted was available. There are a couple of ways in which PA went above and beyond, and the first one may seem a little bit trivial but was really important, is that we needed for our exec team, we needed a document delivering, and an awful lot of work had gone into it. And I had an email which I received on the morning that I was at the hotel, which said there's a package waiting behind the desk in the hotel for you, which had the necessary documents in. Been sent at 3 o'clock in the morning, and someone from PA clearly had got up at 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock, or been working till then and delivered the document. It was great. It felt like service above and beyond. We got to quite a crunch point between when we started talking about structures, and we started to think about how structures would operate. We got a crunch point with the exec team. And as a management team, we felt, and certainly I did, that PA became not just the sort of technical experts, but more like coaches and more like mentors, and actually felt very much part of the team and provided ideas into something that as a management team we were just thinking, where do we go now? And that was really helpful. At the end of the project, the handover period, it was really helpful to us that we could actually say that we knew what we were going to do next, and that we had plans, and that there was nobody in the management team felt any kind of residual dependency. It was odd not having PA in the room with us, but it didn't mean that we didn't know what to do. And again, there's something for me that's quite unique about that approach, which says, it's quite a mature approach, which says we didn't come here we didn't come here to be a crutch always for you. We came here to provide the consultancy as per the brief, and we've left you in a good position to take this forward and achieve the results that we'd set out.